Hey guys, welcome to the fifth part of the video series or the short video course about finding expired domains. And as you can see, I am logged into my Ahrefs account and I'm in the quick batch analysis tool of Ahrefs. It's a tool that can generate multiple backlink reports at once by entering a list of domains or URLs. So we can here enter up to 200 URLs and it can give us a quick analysis of all those domains. So this is the most useful tool out there when you are evaluating the strength of the expired domains at scale. For example, if you remember from our previous part, we uh, copied some 1000 domains from GoDaddy auctions page to an Excel sheet, and now we will be evaluating those at once, like at scale, quickly. So if you want to analyze one by one, then it will take us a lot of time to evaluate those 1000 domains. Then surely it's not worth the time. That's why I'm using a quick batch analysis of Ahrefs. Here we will have just to do like five or six batch analysis, and we will be like done with the whole analysis. Let me show it to you. So as you can see, I am in my Excel sheet and where I copied some 1000 domains from GoDaddy auctions page. Now I will be selecting some 200 domains out of it. If you remember, it's because the quick batch analysis of Ahrefs allows me to do 200 domains analysis at once. So I'm, for precautional purposes, selecting 198 domains, copying it, and then I will be pasting them into Ahrefs quick batch analysis. Yeah, I'm pasting it here, and now I'm clicking on analyze. So here we go. It has given me an analysis of all the 200 domains. I pasted in here. I pasted in here. So let me sort them by DR so that I can. So one of the rule of thumb here is I normally uh, look for domains having DR greater than 10. So you can see there are like some 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 domains having DR equal to or greater than 10. So you see the first one is karmasolutioninc.com, the second one is richbyperform.com, and then sigmainstitute.com, and this one as well. So I will, out of these 200, I think only these are worth trying. And if you can see what's upstream.com is a government is a government link as well here. So what I will do is I will click on this, right click on this, and click on, sorry, I will click on this icon here and click on overview, and on overview I will click on open in new tab, because when I click on this it will I will lose this tab of mine. So that's what I don't want to lose. I will click on here as well, overview, open and new tab. Click here, sigmainstitute.com. Seems like some institute, that's why it has got an edu backlink as well. If you see on front of it, click on here, open a link in new tab. It's my browser is responding a little bit slow. Don't know when I start recording this starts to happen. So you can watch this video in 2x and you will be fine. Here, yeah, so I have opened 4 of the domains, 1, 2, 3, 4. One of the domains we missed, I don't know which one. So let's see, just we will analyze those 4 domains that I open a new tab, and I will help you decide which one to buy out of these four. Meanwhile, while those are loading, I will click on this one as well, and I will open this in new tab as well. Okay, so the first quick analysis that we can do is by just looking at the overview of that expired domains on Ahrefs. So as you can see, this is Karma IT consulting firm, Karma Solutions in.com. So the domain, the first check is like domain is almost easy to pronounce, and it seems to be a real firm, IT consulting firm. The DR is good, so is the UR. UR is lower, but it's good. It has got 22 referring domains, and it has got in total 262 backlinks. The domain linking ratio is not that much great. The it's because like uh, if you have got 20 domains and you have got 200 backlinks, it means per domain you have got some 10 backlinks on average, which is normally not a natural thing, because naturally you earn links from a domain only once or twice or thrice or maybe 5 times or maybe 10 times as well. But it cannot be the same case for all of your domains, because for example, if you have got links from 20 different domains, it's not possible that you have gone 10 domains from all of them naturally. So I'm talking about natural things, but still it has got 10 organic keywords as well, and it is still getting 13 organic traffic as per Ahrefs. It can be wrong as well, because these are just estimates. But my first thing is, apart from the links ratio per domain, average links per domain, the domain is good to be analyzed to the next step. Now let's analyze this one. And as you can see, the first check, that is the name, it's in the a foreign language. I don't know which language is this. The DR is good, but the UR is not that much great. Similarly, if you see for 282 domains, it has got 21,000 or 22,000 links. It's a lot per referring domain, so naturally it's not possible to get those much links per domain. So here we are talking about natural things, so everything can be manipulated. But if we are finding an expired domain, it should be great and it should have natural backlinks. So I will exclude this backlink from my analysis because of the two factors. The first one is the name, and the second one is the domains links ratio per domain. So I will even close this window. And then let's look at the third one at sigmainstitute.com. It is still not loaded. Let's look at the fourth one. In the meanwhile, I will start refreshing this one. Okay, so as you can see, IT and ecur.com, I don't know how to pronounce it. The DR is 11, 90 referring domains and 451 backlinks. It's a good ratio. 49 keywords are still ranking. So I would say I will proceed this to the next step, because the first two checks it has passed those. And now let's look at what's upstream.com. Remember, this is the domain that has got one link from the government as well. Now you can see it has got 39 referring domains, and out of those 76 backlinks from those referring domains. So it's a good ratio, just 2 or 1.87 or maybe referring domains per domain. And if you can look at the country level level domains distribution, it has got 64% from .com, .us as well, and .me, .gov as well, and all of those. So it's great. And the anchor text ratio, what's upstream, what's upstream.com, so all of them seems to be from like a branded perspective as well. So meanwhile, it's still loading Sigma Institute. I hope it loads quickly so that we can analyze it, and then we will proceed to the next video. We will where we will analyze the backlink profile of the three domains we have selected for our analysis in detail. Okay, so this domain is loaded as well, and as you can see, it's Sigma IIT Institute Learn and Earn. So it has got 304 domains and almost 2.7 links per different domain, good ratio. And it has got one government link, three educational links, and out of these backlinks, out of these 304 domains, 92 or do follow. The name is good. Encryptex distribution is also almost good. Not that much good, to be honest, but we will see in our detailed analysis. We should see this in our detailed analysis as well. So I will close this window here. I will close this video here. In the next video, we will analyze these three domains in detail, like if we really like to buy them or not. Plus, another thing to note here is this batch analysis thing. You saw we pasted in here 200 domains and then analyzed five domains out of them because they had DR greater than 10. Similarly, we can filter these by keywords as well. So you can, if you want some domains which are already ranking for keywords, you can just pick some of these domains as well, but you will have to analyze them deeply as well. Similarly, if you want to sort by do follow backlinks, you can do this. And then government links, edu links similarly as well. So yeah, that's for this video, and the next video we will analyze three or four of the domains we have selected for further analysis. And the final thing to note here is this is just like you have seen, we analyzed some 200 domains already, some 198 domains already from batch analysis. When we analyze those four domains that we have selected out of these 198 in detail, we will come back and go and analyze further 198 domains, and we'll repeat the process, and then further and further and further. So this is how we used to analyze like 5,000 or 4,000 domains at scale at once.